Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my favorite book. My favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's a fun and exciting story about a boy named Charlie. Charlie wins a golden ticket to visit a magical chocolate factory. The factory is full of amazing candy and strange characters. I love reading about all the cool inventions in the factory. The book teaches me the importance of kindness and honesty. My favorite character is Willy Wonka, the funny and creative chocolater. I like the parts where Charlie's family is surprised by the chocolates. I enjoy reading this book again and again because it's so exciting. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is my favorite because it's full of imagination and adventure. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.